Okay guys, HomeSense is now open in the Dr. Phillips area. This is day one. HomeSense is now open. Okay guys, so inside of HomeSense. So let's check and see what they have in here today. They gave us this lovely bag here for HomeSense since today is the grand opening. So what is HomeSense, you may ask? HomeSense to me is like a HomeGoods warehouse. It's pretty much a one-stop shop. HomeSense is the sister store to HomeGoods. So TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, and HomeSense fall under the same umbrella. They're basically all sister stores. HomeSense is a little larger than HomeGoods, and they specialize in carrying the bigger bulk items, bigger furniture. You're gonna see more furniture, more rugs, more chandeliers. HomeSense also has more of your everyday household items, whereas I feel HomeGoods is more for styling of your home. So for designing, decorating, HomeSense still has a lot of decorating items as well and styling items, but I feel like HomeGoods is more on the high end or more on the luxurious end as far as styling is concerned. Also, I will say that it seems that HomeSense is a little bit more affordable. The price is a little bit more reasonable than HomeGoods. But again, you have to shop the two stores to find out. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope today's video gives you a great idea of what you can expect to find in HomeSense. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this complete tour of HomeSense in the Dr. Phillips area in Orlando, Florida. guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's complete tour. We were all so excited about being a part of the grand opening. The store was booming, bustling, and everyone was enjoying themselves. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. And until next time, bye guys.